Alright guys, we're going to do a box of 2007 Exquisite Rookie Signatures. First one of these I've ever bought, so hoping I'll get lucky. I've been getting kind of lucky the last little while, so we'll see. Oh, that's kind of messed with, it looks like, but I hope nobody has messed with it. One pack. Nice thick gold pack.
Jeez. How many cards in each?
I don't remember. 6 cards per pack.
Oh crap.
One should be a base though. See how thick those are?
Oh man.
Okay. Yes, I did cut myself. Alright. Aaron Harang, 53 of 99. We have an autograph here of Mike Rabello. Rookie autograph, 67 of 75. We've got a duel here of Cesar Jimenez and Yoel Hernandez. These are common ground signatures. Both guys are from Venezuela. These are obviously rookie signatures. I don't know much about either one of those guys. We've got a Delman Young, 45 of 99. Autograph, quad jersey. That's pretty cool. Wow. Joaquin Arias, next generation, 1 of 15. And Homer Bailey, 5 of 15. Autograph. So pretty cool stuff. I mean, Homer Bailey is supposed to be sweet, but hasn't really amounted to much yet. And I don't know much about him. Delman Young has got a lot of good upside. He's not with the Rays anymore. These two boys I don't know much about. I feel like I've heard this name, Mike Rabello, but I'll have to do some research on that. And Aaron Harang base. So, lots of young players. Thanks, guys.